Hi, dear Virgos. A very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is March. This is love reading for March 2021. We will tap into your partner's energy and your energy, and we will see what the outcome will be. And your partner's energy right now is the Nine of Pentacles. I feel like your partner is working on themselves right now. They are working on their business, their own looks, their luxurious life, or I mean to say they are focused on themselves only right now. They are not maybe talking to you much, or maybe you guys broke up in the past and you guys are not together anymore. But right now, your partner's energy is like fixated on themselves only, Virgo. How they see you as the world. They see you as a person with whom all the work is done, with whom a cycle is completed. Maybe you guys said tata bye bye to each other in the past, in the recent past. So basically they feel like the relationship is over, the work is done, everything is done from their side, from your side, and there's nothing left in this relationship. But hold on, there's lots of things coming in this relationship and in this energy, right? In this partner's energy of yours. So basically they feel like all the work with you is done, and this relationship is over, this cycle is completed, the chapter is closed. What they feel about this relationship is the Eight of Swords energy is there. They feel like bounded, they feel like jailed, they feel like tied down, they are hurt, deeply hurt. They're deeply hurt, Virgos. They are basically not happy without you. They are feeling like they are in some kind of emotional jail or mental jail, or they might be in real jail as well for some of you. So for some of you it could also be possible that they are in real jail maybe. But whatever it is, they are feeling like bounded, they are feeling like emotionally bounded and mentally bounded and stuck on you, not able to move that side, not able to move this side. Basically they are feeling like blindfolded and bounded and wounded as well from inside, and they are self-sabotaging energies there. So they are basically self-sabotaging themselves, lying to themselves that they don't need you anymore, right? What they want from this relationship. This is the Four of Pentacles energy. They want to release the control. They want to come out of this situation of, I'm telling you, they want to come out of this situation. They want to, come out of this mental jail, this emotional trauma that they are going through, Virgos. So they are in this verge of, releasing the control, because they are holding back from you, because they are not telling you exactly what is going on, because I feel like they still love you, they still miss you a lot. That is why they are feeling like this jail and mental jail and emotional jail thing, and they are holding control, and they are like holding back, and they are trying to control everything, and they want to release the control and release their emotions and talk to you openly and honestly. That is what they want from this relationship or from you in general, okay? But the outcome from their side is the three of cups. So three of cups is basically the card of celebration. So they might be celebrating something good with you by the end of March. So be hopeful. They are going to release the control. They are going to talk to you, and they are going to tell you what exactly is going on. Okay, and they are going to celebrate something very beautiful with you by the end of March. Okay, your energy right now, your energy Virgos right now is the Eight of Pentacles. You are also working on yourself. You are also working on your money, your pentacles, your own job or business or whatever it is. You both are right now feeling like singles. You both are right now feeling like you guys are single, and there's nothing more left in this relationship. Okay, how you see them is a death card. You are seeing them transforming. You see them that they are transforming into something different person. Or this is also, the death card also indicates the end of a relationship, because from their side this is the world, from your side this is the death. They see you as a world, their cycle completed, the relationship is over. From your side as well, the death card is there, so you also feel like this relationship is over and there's nothing left in this relationship. But no, this is not the case. You guys both of the parties are stuck on each other. Both of the parties wants a happily ever after from each other. There's lots of love in this relationship, I'm telling you, Virgo. This is the Two of Pentacles energy. What you feel, you are feeling, you are juggling between two situations, maybe two people, but I don't feel like there is a third party situation here. But I feel like you are stuck between whether to reach out or not, whether to reach out or not, whether to talk to them or not, whether to initiate or not. You are stuck in your mind about yes or no, yes or no, yes or no. But let me tell you one thing, you are going to talk to them, Virgo. Finally you are going to talk to them. because I see that they are also releasing their control. They are also opening up to you finally. You are also opening up to them, because what you want from them is the four of wands energy. You want a stability, you want a happy marriage with them, you want to celebrate life with them, you want to enjoy life with them. I don't feel like right now you want to have a commitment with them, like that serious kind of commitment. But yes, I feel like you want to celebrate life with them, because the outcome from your side is the sun. This is the happiest card in the deck, and I feel like they are celebrating, and this is the sun. The outcome from both the parties is the celebration card and the sun card. You guys are going to love this relationship, love each other, enjoy each other's company, lots of creating lots of memories, creating lots of beautiful things in your life. But right now I feel like this energy of holding back is present from your partner's sides, and from your side you are stuck in your mind whether to reach them out or not, whether to talk to them or not. You are stuck on that right now, okay? But the cumulative outcome for this relationship is the Hierophant, marriage energy, stability energy, commitment energy, long term commitment, long term happiness energy, King of Cups, beautiful energy, loving each other. You both are in love with each other, you both are not letting go of each other. Whether right now this relationship is over or not, I feel like this relationship is going through a phase of rebirth and transformation, and lots of healing and lots of talks and communication. Lots of things are going to change in March for you, Virgo, and you are going to be extremely happy, because this is a 10 of Cups energy. This is a very, very beautiful outcome of this relationship with this particular person. I am feeling so happy. I feel like I should be a Virgo right now, because Taurus are going through a lot of hell right now in their life, and I am a Taurus, and I know what I'm going through. So leave that. I'm sorry about this. So basically, your reading is the best reading till date, which I did of March till now. So yes, this is commitment, long-term commitment, loving messages, loving energy. I love you, and lots of I love yous, lots of I need you, and all that lovey-dovey stuff coming to you, and a beautiful, happy, committed relationship is coming to you finally. And I feel like this is the same person which you felt like there is nothing left in this relationship anymore. There will be an energy of happiness, there will be energy of commitment, there will be energy of love. And at the bottom of that deck, this is the Queen of Cups, Queen of Wands. Very, very passionate energy, very, very passionate about each other, very, very passionate about this relationship in particular. You or your person, I don't know which one is more passionate. You better know this, Virgo. But this is very, very passionate energy and stable and practical energy. This queen is someone who is like wearing their heart on their sleeves and say whatever they want to say, and reveal to the other party that yes, this is the right person for me, and I love you a lot, and I want things to work out for us. Wow. Virgos, this is a very happy energy. This is a very happy reading. And I feel like I should be a Virgo in March because happiness, love, commitment, happiness, family, everything is coming to you. But right now, your partner is like controlling. I think they are control freak. They try to control everything, but finally they will come out in the light and talk to you. I think you are also in this confusing state. You will come out of this confusing state, and you will talk to them eventually, and this will lead to a very, very happy and celebrating relationship by the end of March. Yeah, so let's quickly pull three cards from the love oracle deck, what the universe wants to tell you regarding your relationship with this particular person, or whomsoever is on your mind right now while listening to me. Yeah, so how goes. I think there will be little hurdles in this relationship in the beginning, but by the end things will take a u-turn, and things will be very, very happy and beautiful between you guys, I hope. Yeah, so this is the general love reading. I'm not talking about everybody. If somebody is going through a divorce, or somebody is going through a lot of shit in their life, and they might be cursing me right now, oh god, this tarot reader is a bastard, lying or whatever. But yeah, if this is resonating with someone, then their life is going to be very happy and beautiful in March. I think there's a beginning of a new life. So first card is addiction. I feel like you guys were obsessed with each other. I told you your partner is a control freak. So basically you guys were in addiction, codependent, obsession, possession, controlling, has a block. You had a block, you guys had a block in this relationship, and then this block is finally unblocking. Yeah, The second message, cassette. Outdated thinking, conditioning, replaying events over in your head. Stop overthinking, stop overanalyzing, stop repeating the same cycle. Okay, if you want to break this pattern, you just have to listen to this. And the third and the final card, the final guidance or message, healthy choices, making healthy choices in love and in life, self love, self care, being happier. Okay, so Virgo, make healthy choices in your life, focus on self love, focus on self worth as well, then come out to this person and talk to this person. Wow, I hope Virgos, you will love this reading because this is a very, very beautiful and lovely reading for all the Virgos out there, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. So thank you so much for listening. Do subscribe to my channel. Do let me know in the comment section below if it resonates with you on any level. And yeah, do subscribe and support me. I need it badly right now. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste.